Post Roe America. Now that Roe v. Wade is gone, what words will women speak? What will be their song? Will the American suburban soccer moms unite with women of color or accept their fate at the hands of man? Will they rise to the challenge, raise their fist in the air, take to the street to avert patriarchal's plan? The question is, what are you willing to live for? What will be your ending story? What will be your feminine legacy? Is this a sad story that we shall read in the chronicles of time? Or better still, do you still have potency? Again, I ask, American women, now that you are in post-Roe America, will you shirk cowardly into the ebb of time? The question is, will all except the fanatical women come together, standing hand in hand, show the handmaiden their strength, their power redefined? Yes, you must, for the present, for your future, stand your ground. Demonstrate your essence, be both bold and vicious like hell has no fury than a woman scorned. Let your feminine power be resolute and come down. We men who have wives, daughters, mothers, and sisters who agree with a woman's right, what will we do? What role should we play? Shall we become invisible or lurk in the shadows? Or better still, be puppeteers to our own masculinity and keep at bay? This is the moment. What is your response? Do we flounder like dead fishes in the sea? Or will we seize the moment to rise above the clouds of doom? We shall see which way the winds will blow. But it is this moment that collectively our response should be bold, pronounced, to shatter the zealots' noise in their four-cornered room.